Hello, welcome to our warehouse. Come on in. Well, this is our warehouse. This is where we build and test all our drones. Over here you can see Sergio on our drone testing rig. This is where we put our drones through all preliminary tests before we do a free flight. Come on in, you can have a closer look at the high site. So on this rig we can test how the deadlift capacity, and then we can move on over here. This is where the arms and the motors are tested. Andre's checking that both motors are working nicely. Seems good to me. Over here we've got our general drone assembly with our wiring, our lid and the body assembly before we send it over to be tested. This is where we put together our ground stations. So we've got the controller, a spare battery, this is where the body goes, the arms fit in right here, this is the video feed, and this is the flight cloud where all the data is sent up and stored safely. And this is where all the software happens. So we've got Andre coding our next mission control. But we don't want to show them that because that's confidential. And this is the rest of our warehouse basically. Over here we've got the telecases. We've even got a drone transmitting a GoPro footage as we speak. So this drone is being controlled over by the client center. Over here. So we can bring clients in, we can fly drones 3 kilometers away, but we can still control the camera and see the video footage through here. All autonomous. Thank you very much for coming to see our warehouse. I'll show you out. Hope to see you very soon.